Hey guys, welcome to my lockdown haul and unboxing video. I bought a couple of things from Nykaa and Cosmix during lockdown, so come on and let's unbox it. Let me open Cosmix first. Cosmix is a brand that started by Viva and this is a plant-based product. Complete plant-based product. You might have seen me posting stories on my IG cause I love Cosmix and the results. I've bought Gut, Sleep and Energy. Gut, I'm buying it for the second time because I really love the results, and Sleep and Energy are from my mom. All the ingredients are complete plant-based as I said already. Next comes the Nykaa haul. First is my Lavendar Essential Oil. I love the packaging of the product and the lid is so beautiful. Also, the oil smells amazing. Next is Lemongrass Essential Oil. I have bought this oil for soap making. And then I also bought lemon essential oil to make lemon soaps because it's summer already. And next I bought this compact from Faces Canada. I'm not a makeup freak, but I love to experiment different products. This is pretty good at this rate. And I bought the one that suits my shade. And last comes the Aloe gel from Bob's Skin Science. I noticed a lot of bloggers giving a good review on this and thus bought this. Hopefully I'll update on my IG very soon. See you guys.